Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is me, Deshanay, here as desiredeshanay, bringing another video to you today. First and foremost, I want to apologize for how long it's been since I've uploaded a video. I know it's been over possibly 6 months, but there's no excuse. I'm getting back to it now. I just thank you for tuning into this video, and anyone that's new for watching this video as well, and any of my other videos. This video is going to be pretty simple. It's just me showing you how I achieve my half up, half down hairstyle. I also wanted to show off my tube top that I got from Everything Lovely. I know it's starting to get a little cold outside. This is for most likely next summer, but I like to shop for my seasons ahead of time and catch those good sales. I will also upload a picture of me in this tube top on Instagram, so don't forget to follow me there at desiredeshanay. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Don't forget to leave a comment. Don't forget to like and let me know how you feel about my channel, anything. But let's go ahead and get to the video. Okay, so I usually part from ear to ear, but I have a rolling scalp, so it doesn't really matter how well I part. It's never straight. It's never straight. Even when I get braids done, the parts are never straight because my scalp rolls. But from ear to ear, I'm getting the extra hair out of the way, combing it straight back so my ponytail at the top can be very smooth. And I usually just comb this hair up, straight up. My hair is about two and a half, honestly maybe 3 weeks old. Straightened it about 3 weeks ago. It might even be longer than that. I know I straightened it for Halloween and I haven't touched it up since then. So when it comes to me straightening my hair, it actually lasts a pretty long while. Here we go. Here's my half up, half down. Always add some curls in it to give it a little bit of life, a little bit of fun. I wear it either to the back or to the sides. But yeah, that is it. That is my half up, half down go-to hairstyle. It's simple, it's easy, not complicated at all. I thank you for tuning into this video. Any future videos that I upload, I thank you for sticking with me. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that subscribe button below. Don't forget to leave a comment. Follow me on Instagram, desiredeshanay. But thank you again for tuning in.